In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to start by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and if you wanna mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then choose Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner in order to access all of those options. Once you do, you can check out Preview at the top while adjusting your new wallpaper. You can even hit presets on the left and check out any of those. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set A Safe Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options: Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!